Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife again, and we're going to be doing a quick review on the Buck Sprint here. Of course, it's made in the USA, which is most buck knives are, not all of them, but most of them are. So we'll go ahead and unbox it for you so you can see what it looks like. My guess is a warranty card and a knife. That's pretty typical with buck knives. Alright, so if we'll start off here, I'll turn it over so you can see it. You can see the design on it. Has a nice design. It is a gray, has a drop point blade. The blade length is about 3 1/8 inches, which is going to make it about 7 overall. The scales or handle is made out of a GFN, which is a glass filled nylon. Has a neat little blue back spacer that also supports the deep carry pocket clip. Has the buck emblem on the pocket clip also. It is a smooth opening, one hand flipper. And we'll go over, of course it's a liner lock. We'll go over how it cuts. Snaps open nicely. Alright, let's grab some stuff here and see how it does. Wow. Didn't expect that. Didn't need as much pressure. Actually didn't need any pressure now that I think about it. We'll just slide it right on through. Nice cutting knife there. Break out some jute. Whoops, that's my fault. Just trying to be too soft with it. Cuts nicely. And we'll bring out a piece of, roll it up nicely there. I'm not sure that I can actually hold this, but I could very smoothly. Do that crafty burlap stuff there. The blade itself is 420 high carbon steel, which is pretty typical of buck. And I think I mentioned that it was made in the USA. It comes in several varieties, colors, of course, and then there's different Sprint models. It has a ball bearing technology, which is something they don't really normally do. And it has of course, it's low friction when you open it. I'm actually impressed about how smooth it is. I mean, you have to give it just a little bit, not much. Alright, so that'll be it for the Buck Sprint 840 model. I want you guys to hit the like button, subscribe, follow us there on the IG at Atlantic Knife, and on YouTube. Make sure you hit the bell and like our account here. And that'll be the end for the Buck Sprint. And I am C, and I am signing off.